everyone, and Happy New Year. I'm Kat. Welcome to 2011. I think it's time we take a walk around the penny. Our first winner comes from China Crescent Enterprises, symbol CCTR. The company plans to host a webcast presentation this Thursday to discuss plans for 2011, and they're going to talk up their stock. China Crescent is a systems integration service provider that markets technology outsourcing services in China. Its stock rose nearly 6% over a volume of 158 million. Up next, Biotech Advanced Cell Technology, symbol ACTC. A press release today announced FDA clearance for clinical trials, which will use embryonic stem cells to treat age-related macular degeneration. The stock's been quite volatile and has been on an uptrend, hitting its high of 26 cents just before Christmas. For the day, the stock rallied 8% on 93 million shares. And finally, United States Oil and Gas Corporation, symbol USOG. The stock opened at 0.0031 and sprang up as high as 0.0049. The stock ended up 50% over a volume of 105 million. This oil and gas products, services, and technology company hasn't had any news to report since November, but it's been on a pretty steady climb since last Thursday. On to our losers. Clean Power Concepts, symbol CPOW, remained volatile last week, and today was no exception. The stock fell 39% on nearly 72 million shares. The company works in the green industry and owns 95.1% of General Bioenergy, which operates an oilseed crushing biodiesel refinery plant in Canada. No particular news out today. It could be the start of a dump. The stock was at 5 cents a share on the 14th of December and hit a cycle high of 41 cents on the 28th. That's a move of 720%. Next up, Cotton and Western Mining, symbol CWRN. The stock started off on a good note, but gradually sunk as the day progressed. For the day, the stock lost over 10% on a volume of 81 million. This metal mineral company's last big news came in November to announce a board of directors meeting. And we end the losers with Gena Incorporated, symbol GNTA, which dropped 22% on over 42 million shares. Genta is a biopharmaceutical company that works on delivering innovative products for patients with cancer. Their last press release was on December 15th, where they announced the completion of $5 million in financing. The stock has been on a very steady decline since that event. Chat rooms were pretty busy today, and you guys were all about Defense Technology Systems, symbol DFTS. The stock opened at 0.0013 and had a high of 0.005 and a low of 0.0013. Overall, the equity rose 200% on 8 million shares. So what's the deal? Well, there is none. OTC Markets has given them the stop sign warning, which means that the company may not be making information publicly available. They're classified in the electronic component sector, but for now it seems to be running on fumes. And our first quote of 2011 comes from TipRail Pro, who said, "Hey, I support single moms $1 at a time. It's nice to know that your penny stock earnings are helping strippers send their kids to college. Heck of a way to start the new year, TipRail Pro." Several newsletters were pumping wind power innovations, symbol WPNV. This is a wind power infrastructure and smart grid solutions company. They finalized an agreement today to open their first full-service heavy lift facility in Oregon, which will provide a range of services for the largest wind turbines on the market. Many newsletters were psyched that this American company is doing business in America, which is definitely a good thing. But how does their stock look? It opened at 4 cents, skyrocketed 83% on over 2 million shares, and closed at 0.055. This is a big change from its 52-week low last Monday, when it closed at 0.015. You've seen the pump. Now will there be a dump? Stay tuned. How does a rally of 400% on a volume of only 2,000 sound? To us, it sounds like BS. But that's exactly what happened to Next Generation Energy Corporation, symbol NGMC. This company was formerly known as Next Generation Media Corporation, which offers direct marketing solutions to business owners through its subsidiary, United Market Solutions. We're going to offer our first BS Trophy of the Year to none of the above. It goes to SAEI. Congrats for destroying so many traders, Sapacha. Take this trophy and shove it. Well, that wraps up our first show of the new year. Make sure to check out our website at simplypennies.com to see our previous shows, blogs, and much more. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Kat. Bye. And we end the day, or the losers. Okay.